so jealous, the new movie. Yeah. What are you going to tell them? Say hi, Auntie's in New York.
This is my little sister.
Here comes Amberly.
She's Brianna.
Yeah.
I'm eating a pretzel right now, but she's pretty cute. She charges after me and pulls my hair in pajamas.
Yeah.
She's a very mischief girl. She likes to grab things and pull cords and stuff. She's very adventurous. Now let my sister talk.
Oh, careful, Amberly. Brianna!
Brianna, it's your turn to talk.
Brianna!
She has beautiful blue eyes, and she loves me so much. She's such a cutie.
Tell them what...
She is 7 months old. She has 1 tooth.
Wow, Amberly knows a lot about you. Tell them the new word you said yesterday.
She said, Mama, and I love Dada.
Yeah, you said Mama last night, huh? At dinner table. Clear as day. Mama.
She is so...
But you only said it once.
She can walk with people holding her.
Yeah.
She's trying to pull the camera cord.
Come on, we want to see your face, not your fist.
See how mischief she is?
She is very in mischief. Huh.
She loves this toy.
Say Mama.
Wee!
Say Dada.
See how much she likes that toy?
Mm-hmm.